Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have another Watch Me DigiScrap video for you today. This is another beach-themed spread that I'm working on, and I am using the March 2019 Good Life bundle from Pixel Scrapper. It has a beach add-on, which is what I'm going through right here. Looking at the pocket cards here. And then once I've already got the papers downloaded, I'll put these in. And then I will still have quite a few holes, so I will go back and look through the main kit to fill in the rest of the spaces. Once I get all the papers filled in the background, I will go back through and look at the kit online and download the elements that look good to me, and then I will place those on my spread. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.